Right, I'm a bit rusty. The Oslo Stock Exchange and the new Opera House, but the whole port is completely chaotic, and I have to find my way to the ferries. So if the stock exchange is there, that means the high frequency trading computers must be somewhere around in that building. But I haven't got time to investigate. I have to go past the fortress and find that bloody boat. Kind of funny, the old bank pub, last pub before Denmark. And that boat over there will take you to Denmark. I made it and we have some time. Old Oslo. The fortress. New Oslo. The real estate bubble is still inflating. No crisis here. New apartments being built over there. The boat. So I'm at one of the most, closest islands to the city with Trond. He's found a good spot where he found a King Oscar, the first 24 shilling. And that's the king that I really want. I'm gonna do some searching close to a farm around there. It's a great day. It's not raining. What a great place. An old farm. Trond found a 2 shilling from the 1600s under that. Great place. 2 old tractors. That's the old barn, or the... It's just a fantastic place. Trond has basically found coins outside the door. So, let's get digging. This is probably one of the craziest places I've been hunting. This is pay dirt. Where is it? Where is it? This was... it gave a 80, 79, 80. No, that can't be any good. It was practically on the surface. And that's a silver coin. I don't know what it is, but... Is it this one? Okay, I have to clean it. And that's Danish. I told you we were going to Denmark. That way. Where, when and where? God knows. It's probably 1800s. Christian the 9th or something. A dolphin, silver, 10 öre. 2 centimeters on the ground. Cool. Right, my headset just broke down. Luckily I have a new control box, but that's not the problem right now. My rucksack is over there and I'm being attacked by these seagulls. One of them is especially aggressive. And it's coming in. Fuck off, bastards. You can see that they're kind of taking aim. Okay, I gotta wait. What a crazy place to go, Metal. Damn, you fooled me good. Down in the rocks. But we have escaped the birds and moved a little bit more in on the island, and I'm pretty sure I have a coin. I'm pretty sure it can be a button. No, no, it's a button. Crap. Damn it. Trond got an old 1700s nice buckle. Cool, thanks. And I've got something going on here. Flipped it out. You know, without the headphones, it's quite hard to decide the size of the object. I mean, this is big. A big fork. Trond, 1 shilling, 1816. Carl the 13th. Not, I have never found. Nice copper. Trond is digging.
A nail.
No nail.
10 øre from the Olav the 5th, 1984.
On the doorstep. These guys are wrapping it up. My brand new control unit, but now the headphones are wasted. Fork, scrap, trash, rubbish, riffraff. What? One Danish silver. Now why the Danes would put dolphins on their coins are beyond me. 1874. Goodie. Trond. 1 shilling. Carl the 13th. 1814.
1816.
60. A buckle. 1700s. And what do you call that? Manchette. I mean, you know, for a shirt. Copper. With a little glass in the middle. This one, no idea. Not a button too big and too light to do with fishing. No idea. Buttons and 10 øre. That's it. We got another. That's the second Danish silver this year. The other one was a lot better, but I didn't bring my camera because the charger was stuck in England. That's it. Hope you had a nice trip with us here out in the Oslo fjord, and I'll be checking in next time. Good 2 hours later and I'm back home. Did you ever doubt this? Blonde ale. And silver. Happy hunting.